Step by step.
Crayon steps. Verb chant. Hold, hold. Roll, roll. Toss, toss. Catch, catch. Drop, drop. Lift, lift. Kick, kick. Stop, stop. Pass, pass. Bounce, bounce. Ball, ball. Hold the ball, hold the ball. Roll the ball, roll the ball. Toss the ball, toss the ball. Catch the ball, catch the ball. Drop the ball, drop the ball. Lift the ball, lift the ball. Kick the ball, kick the ball. Stop the ball, stop the ball. Pass the ball, pass the ball. Bounce the ball, bounce the ball. Experience Crayon Steps, the most innovative English textbook for kids.
Step by step.